decided to do a quick video showing you how to load the roll feeding feature on the new Silhouette Cameo 4. So it's really quick, it's not going to take long. I saw here where you had to open this little flap and see these little things here. You open those, okay, and then I have a roll of vinyl here. All right, so what you want to do is you want to take the vinyl and you want to sit it in these little grooves here. See those little grooves there? Slide that in, but you can adjust it so it kind of fits a little snug. And then you want to take the vinyl and you want to slide it over this little flap. You want to slide it over this little flap, and as usual you want to align it up with these little arrows right here. And once you do that, I'm going to try to do this with the one hand. You want to feed it in like that. Make sure this little thing is moved over. And then according to how you're cutting, you want to make sure you're cutting with no mat, because obviously you don't have a mat in. And this feature works really good when you have multiple designs that you're doing at once that won't fit on the mat. So yeah, I hope that this was helpful. Again, this is the Silhouette Cameo 4, and this would be your roll feeding feature. All right, you guys. See you guys soon.